Yo, what's up, guys? It's Francesco. Ooh, it's really bright. We're gonna go into Harbor Freight right now, and we're gonna have a little bit of a shopping spree for motorcycle stuff. And we're gonna set up a little motorcycle den in the little enclave in the front of my house. Let's do it. All right, guys, we're back, and we bought a lot of crap over here at Harbor Freight. A lot of stuff at Harbor Freight. Look, Harbor Freight tools. You can see in the background there. All right, cool. So we're in the car still, and we got. I don't want to show you everything. I don't want to even really spoil too much, but yeah, it's just we use the coupons to our advantage, and then we got something in the back too. But yeah, let's go get everything set up. All right, guys, what's going on? We're back now at the house. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Right now, we're gonna put together the secret that I bought, and it's just like a pegboard and a tool bench for myself. So it's like a tool workbench, and it'll hold some of my tools. It'll store some of my stuff, and yeah, I'm gonna put it together now. And just saying, it's a lot. So there's that thing down there, and there's some of my tools, and yeah, the rest of it's a bunch of stuff that I bought in the car. So, you know, giving myself a basic tool setup. And let's go.
Hey guys, so yeah, that was the build, and so this is just some of the stuff that I picked up at Harbor Freight. Real quick, just a screwdriver set, cheap stuff, cheap adjustable wrenches, a bunch of different hardware, circlip pliers. What else did I get here? Pegboard clips, and what did we grab? A set of universal wrenches, meaning both metric and SAE, and tiny hammer, ball peen, of course, and what is that? Oh, another set of Allen keys, just in case I lose mine. Yeah, simple stuff that I didn't have or I wanted spares of. All right, guys. Closing notes for this video. What are the notes going to be? Let's put it this way. My bike, this is my bike here. It's an SFV 650 2013 Suzuki Gladius. Changed the front headlight out. It's got a couple of mods done to it. Nothing too serious. Yeah, a couple pieces, mostly aesthetic stuff. New handlebars. This is another good picture. You can see really well the setup. I really enjoy this little Harbor Freight tool stand. This workbench is great. $100, really can't beat it. It was a really good deal at the time. What else we got here? These were all the Pittsburgh and different other branded Husky tools. Basically like cheap Home Depot and Harbor Freight stuff. Anyway, it's all cheap. I'll let you guys know in the future if any of it breaks or if it's bad. And yeah, this right here is my favorite picture of the whole setup. Alright guys, that's going to be Francesco Gonzalez. And this is going to be my first video. Tell me what you guys liked. Tell me what you didn't. Peace.